but I like this. We start to see the 1 minute, fail, break down, breaking the low, failing to make the new high, followed by, the 5 minute, hopefully closing below the daily open. All right, close below, looks good. We usually see a reaction around this 5 minute area, which would also be retesting the daily open. So not in too big of a rush to get in. It can even just tap up here and that would be great. We're really looking for that 1 minute entry with, the bearish close or the flip of this 5 minute candle. All right, I'm in off that. Close there. Stops above the high. TP down at the low there. I'm in. Let's see. Stop loss is above the 5 minute. Take profits here down at the low. Got that 1 minute close I was looking for. Bearish with direction. Looking for the 5 minute to flip. And yeah, I think we still have plenty of room to come down. Yeah, retesting off the daily open. I like to see that. I like to see it. Close to partial off because we're near this 15 minute area here. Nice rejection off that wick there. Pretty much off that 15 minute area. Come on, drive on down. Drive it down. There we go. Bang. TP hit. I'm out full. I'll do a quick trade recap anyways, but we have the 5 minute A2 close, right? So 5 minute A2 close below the previous. And then we also had, the 1 minute retesting lower, but the confirmation really came from this 1 minute close here, which was off that bearish candle right there. And that just kind of showed that price was holding that pullback. And that's all I use the 1 minute for. 15 minute wasn't as applicable. I'm starting to see the 15 minute closures as more of a, directional thing. Not as much. I don't need it to close bearish every single time. I need to be able to combine and stack confluences. So in this case, the 15 minute did close bullish inside. So it didn't quite close above, invalidating this low. But we started to see that continuation further off that 15. Mostly was looking for the 30 minute. So the 30 minute closure, I really wanted to see it close below the daily open here, but it didn't. But it still closed with direction. So we call that an A1 closure. So closed with direction. And yeah, could still use it. 1 hour and the 4 hour, all I was looking at was price reacting off of a key level here. So we had that key level of an hourly high, 4 hour high, and price came up and just started to retest lower, right? We didn't really see it break any of those highs. It just continuously retested lower with volume, as we can see the first drop. And so yeah, hope that makes sense for you guys. And if anyone has any questions, let me know. You can open up a ticket. We can have a one-on-one or whatever you need. I'm here.